Hang on. Hang on. Wanna get this and this. Okay, let's go. Oh. There goes one deer.
Yeah, around the feet, a guy should have.
And the other one.
That one's not gonna make it onto TV.
Well, kinda.
That's not the best part. Yeah, no, I wondered. The guy should have just. See, that's where it's. I pulled that thing right apart. Oh, I see how mine's coming now? Yeah, but see you pulled that hook right apart.
Just skinning its own.
Did you take it out to drive?
Watch out, Dad, eh?
How's it going? Is it skinning out? No, it's coming, yeah.
So what happens with the tail?
Comes off.
Okay. Oh, that's cool. No, you're good.
Yeah, keep going a little bit more.
Okay.
Keep going.
Are we pulling it right off or what?
Good. Yeah.
It skinned the tail.
Skin the tail to the donkey. Yeah. This one got hung up here, didn't it? It's a little tougher animal. See, we should have been watching closer and maybe skinned here.
Oh, I think it just pulled off the hook.
Yeah, the hook broke.
Oh, it broke.
Didn't it?
Well,
Oh, it pulled off the hook. Oh, yeah. The hook was going in the wrong direction.